Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. Today I will discuss on PHP search option from databases. First of all, you see my database. What I have to I have stored data in my table in database login. This is my login database. This is my user table, and I have the field UID, first name, middle name, and age. And I have stored some data here. In previous example I have already explained how to insert the rows in this table. So here is the UID 1, Harising Rai, and is 22, and 2 number is this Sarda. So I want to show this information in my PHP page, and I have some coding page here. I want to explain this in the easy method. I have this field. This is a small HTML page designed here to store this data. I already explained, but I have to show you that this form, with the help of ID, I want to access data from this table. This is the heading style. This is HTML tag, head, body, and this is the data search screen. And here the ID is input type text, name equal ID is given here, and with the help of this ID value I want to search data in this space. Remaining field are just for the information. These data were sent to the database, and I have a search button here created with this sentence. Just I have to keep, if I want to keep this only, that it will be feasible to find this data with the help of search button. So this is the type of button, submit, and name is property search, and value is the search. So this is a form is closed, and HTML is closed. Now PHP coding is started here, and I have assigned this data is not empty. Post is that is there is no event yet, so proceed for this option. That is I have the field values here. What are the field values? I want to store this variable that post is here ID, and I have values stored in this post ID, and the ID value of this text box will be stored in my ID. This is the ID field, and it will goes to this variable ID. And then I have the field query. Sorry, next is the connection specification, where connection is already built in, and this is the connection string already. This is standard string. And next I want to generate a query with the help of this ID select query, which is called. And the next stage is to the select query, where $find is the storage of the string select star for static all field from user, that is where UID is equal $ID. The value is from this $ID, and limiting this one, that is there will be one type sentence where this will be stored in this find, and the value will be stored here. And next is a $round query is executed with the help of MySQLi underscore query, where connection string is required, and the select query is required here. So this is the query execution at this stage, but we want to check whether this is executed, and if it is executed, whatever the values will be greater than 0 or not. So this sentence says us that there will be value greater than 0, and you have some data in this row query string. So this is the data exist will be pop up in your screen, and while and we can say while value is fetch it from fetch with the fetch query of MySQLi. The value will be uh, separated in a column format, and if this format of the fetching of array is done, then the value will be shown to this uh, area field, because we have just stored the values here, and it will be given with some echo message that this value is with the sentence is here, and next is here, and next is data will be shown here, and age will be shown here. So this is the corresponding field of this fetching array statement. So you see it will work, and if it is there will be no data, then the message will be pop up no exist, not exist. So now see the uh, functioning of this search button, that is search is event is created and it will be executed there. So I'll save it, and I will go to the page. My localhost page is here. Sorry. So this is the page, and I will refresh the page here. No data is here. Now I have 1 and 2 values. So ID 1 is placed here, and click on search button. So yes, data exists. So it will give this result. Now reaching right, yes. And if I will search for second button, which is Sarada, so I will refresh this page, place here number 2, ID is 2, then search here, it will give Sarada hierarchy. So unique data will be accessed from this table. So this is the technique of PHP search page, and if it is if it will do once at your own, and it will be executable by you also. Thank you.